Hi everyone, this is Nathan, and today's video is, now, I must warn you, this video is a dangerous method, and I would recommend, if you want to try this method, please do this outside, not inside, because that's what I did, and this is the first project I'm experimenting on, so, yes, this is an experiment, but I recommend doing it outside, nothing surrounding you on the outside, like anything that's flammable. Just please be safe when you do a project like this. And this is a building that I'm making that's trying to be realism. It's not supposed to be showing you to do something bad. It's supposed to be showing you doing something in an awesome way. But it'll all make sense in the video. And please be safe. And this is Nathan Lay saying goodbye, and now have an awesome day. I hope this was helpful and interesting. I'm trying something new just for make it look more real for my layout. Like I said, it's not supposed to say anything bad. It's supposed to be something looking interesting, just like an ooh and ah thing. So yeah, I hope this was helpful for a new technique, but please be safe while using this technique. And this is Nathan saying goodbye, and have a very awesome day.